Looking at these birds on the water, and there's all these different birds up in the sky too. Oh. How interesting. And there's a red canoe right there. And it's moving slowly up at the same time. How cool. It's kind of a hot day, so I decided to come where I could have some shade. And then I'm more comfortable, and then I can also be outside at the same time. I like it. Oh, look at these. These birds are standing their ground. It's pretty quiet. You could sleep on that, I think. I'd probably try it, except for I don't know if there's a law against it or not, but that'd be cool. Alright. Hope you're enjoying whatever you're doing. Bye-bye.